Okay, Aaron, I figured the best way to do this is with a little video here. This is at the end of 211 Faulkner, and you can see here where the water has been overflowing out of the gutter up above and causing it to wash this direction. One of the things I can see, I don't know that it transfers real well, but the water is coming out of the gutter and it's literally sunk the mulch on the back side back here, where it's lower than what it is out front. It also looks like there's been quite a bit of water coming over the top of the gutter or coming up out of the downspout right here. Barbara mentioned that it just spews up out of there when it's done, which indicates that might be a little on the stopped up side, and you can see where that water's running this direction, and it runs down into this low spot here. And let me back out a little further. Okay, and you can see this low spot right here has a drain in the center of it. Okay, and this drain, you can see I hacked away at it with my pocket knife, but it is totally covered up with grass, etc. It needs to be trimmed out. This is a real low spot. Now, up here on Barbara's porch, you can see how high the mulch is. Okay, that mulch is almost to the edge of the sill plate. It's so high, and it's washed over into her unit or her patio. And most of that, if you can see the splatter that's occurred, most of that has come from water overflowing on the gutter up here. Okay, and I don't know whether that problem is an underground problem or an above ground problem. But as we go along here, you can see where the water has overflowed right down in here and created and then washed it all in. And then there's a major overflow that occurs right here in the middle that's causing the mulch to wash all the way out here and wash over to this drain. That's not helping that drain assembly. And then up again on this side, you can see how the moisture is even affecting the siding. I mean, the mulch is literally up here on the siding, and you can see by that dirt, you can see how it's splattered, and you can see how it's washed all that mulch out of there. And this mulch has just been put down recently. So I can't tell whether the stoppage is in the drain itself. It doesn't really look to be. Looks like it might be stopped up in the downspout, or maybe it's stopped up above up here. But it's continually getting